Your girl is a winner. Mm. 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 It's a new day. It's a new day. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I am Alicia. If you're new here, if you're not new here, hey, how you doing? Hope you've been fine. So I ended my last vlog telling you all how I'm not feeling 100, and guess what? I'm still not feeling 100. So I'm not feeling much worse, but or any worse. I just still not feeling like myself. Yeah. So oh, happy new month. It's the 1st of April. Happy new month to you guys. I hope you guys have all your goals and your plans written down, and I'm just looking forward to what the new month holds, the opportunities, the blessings, the lessons, whatever it may be. But yeah, I'm looking forward to the new month, just to continue on my journey of consistency, of uploading, of taking my YouTube serious. So I just wanted to come on and open the vlog, seeing as it's the 1st of the month, but I don't really have anything to tell you guys, and I don't know what this vlog will entail. You all will let me know if my lighting is looking any better in this clip, because I have a light attached to the tripod, not the middle of the tripod but the top of the tripod this time. And yeah, I'm supposed to share my exciting news that I mentioned at the end of the last vlog as well, and hopefully I will be feeling up to it. OMG, I just want to feel better. So I'll share that most likely in the next clip. You all will see that. Besides that, I don't have any plans, so I'll just take you all through my week. Hopefully I do something exciting, and probably show you all some of my meals for the week, because I want to I want to do some healthy meals, some more rice bowls. I did a rice bowl recently with some chicken breast, some corn, rice, and sweet peppers. I will include a pic somewhere here, but it was delish, chef's kiss. So if you haven't tried a rice bowl, it's really easy. Try one, and you can use if you want something quick and like a cheat sheet to do the rice bowl, you can use rotisserie chicken to do your rice bowl. So yeah guys, I have been rambling on too much, but I hope you guys have a great month, and that you'll accomplish everything that you set out to do this month, and go above and beyond what you expect for yourself. So I will see you guys in the next clip. Oh, if you're new here, don't forget to click that subscribe button, and don't forget to share it with a friend. We're on the road to 1 million. Yeah, that's how deep it is. Yeah, how serious it is, how serious I'm taking myself this time around. Let go.
Congratulations. And then you also won yourself. And you can have this.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Merlot and the represent one plus.
So we're gonna do some
So this is our
wine testing or tasting.
Would you like red?
I like red. I like white.
You like red?
So I have this. Did you have fun at the event though? You did?
Alright, so you all saw it there first. Your girl is a winner. Yeah, we won the bonus prize. We got a bottle of wine, we got a gift card for excellent stores, and also one night stay at the Bricks Hotel, baby. feels good to be a winner. First of all, I want to thank God because without him, this would not have been possible. Because I mean, why me? Why us of all the couples who were there? I want to thank my mother because without her, I would not have been on this earth. I want to thank...
Thank me.
I want to thank him for agreeing to go to the convention and bring any positive vibes, although it's not his thing really, right? Never mind all the noise he making in the background. But lastly, I'd like to thank myself. I'd like to thank me for being so special, for being one of a kind, and for being a winner always. We head into Price Mart now, so I'll probably pick back up then. Okay, bye. So I'm in Price Mart and I'm loving it here because it hardly have people, so I can vlog how I want. Let me show you all the toilet paper that I purchased. Go ahead. You're only forcing me to buy things. So this is what I buy. Slug out here fighting it, y'all. Not feeling bad. Still not feeling bad, which is great, but still not feeling 100. Hey guys, it's been a minute. Well, for you, but it's been some days since I have picked up my camera. You all know I said I wasn't feeling too good, but I am feeling much better. However, I've been in a funk. It happens. It's nearing that time. If you know, you know. But this is actual footage of me fighting through my emotions. I tend to just want to do nothing and just not laze around, but more just stick to myself around this time. So I'm trying to push through and just shake this feeling, right? I'm a moody person, but it's not intentional. I actually feel my mood's changing, and then if I'm stressed in any way, it makes it worse. But yeah, I'm trying to just push through because I can't do everything based on emotions. I can't. I'm trying to get into that habit of not letting my emotions run my life. So this is part one of me doing that. Anyways, yeah, I said I'm having a late start to my morning. I still have to eat breakfast and it's after 10. But I'm going to make my almond milk, so I'll probably show you all a little of that. And I want to try some spinach eggs this morning, so I'll show you all that too. And also for lunch, I want to try a barbecue mashed sweet potato bowl. You all know I'm obsessing over bowls right now, so I'll show you all those two things and we'll see what I get up to for the rest of this vlog. I don't think it will be much because I don't have much plans, but I'm trying to incorporate more of what I eat into my videos because I think it's interesting and you all will be interested. All right.
Give it all. Anywhere you said, anywhere you said, anywhere.
Okay, so you all almost didn't get a taste test. I am so hungry, it's not even funny. Like starving. So this is my first time having spinach eggs. I was never a greens person. My family will tell you that, but I'm trying to be healthier, so here goes. And you'll remember I like my eggs burnt, so don't come for me. Right, so we see the spinach here. I'm tasting a slight sweetness. I'm not sure if that's the onion or the spinach, so let me see. Oh, that's the onion, but I don't think you really taste a difference with the spinach in it. So I guess this is a good way of getting in some veggies for the day. If you're not into greens, you could probably try to put a few leaves of the of spinach into your eggs, and you won't taste the difference. So let me go ahead and finish it off camera because I'm hungry, and you all know I can't have eggs without my bagels. So this is my bagel that I love so much, so I'm gonna make a bagel sandwich, and I will see you all for lunch. All right, it's lunchtime. Let me not lie to you, it's actually after 5 in the evening because this was tired and I had a late breakfast, so I wasn't hungry. So this is what I mean. I think I would have mentioned in one of my vlogs that I don't excuse you, I mentioned that I don't intentionally intermittent fast, but this is what happens sometimes. I eat breakfast so late that I end up eating lunch very late, and then I just have 2 meals for the day. So I told you all I was going to do some mashed sweet potato, chicken breast, and some broccoli and carrot. This is the first time I'm trying this type of bowl, but I saw a pic of something like this, and since then I've been craving it. Imagine that without tasting it. So I'm gonna do that now. I'm actually feeling better in terms of my mood, so you see what pushing through will get you, or where it will get you. So yeah, let's go ahead and make this. I'll try to make the process not too long. I'll just show you all the ingredients that I'm using, and then I'll show you all how I'm putting it together, or how I'm cooking it, and then I'll show you all the finished product. This shouldn't be too hard at all. It should be fairly simple to make, and yeah, can't wait to taste it. So these are the basic ingredients that I'm using: broccoli, carrots, sweet potato, some scallions, green onions, I think that's what you call it. We call it chive, and chicken breast.
Hold on, speed it up. Hold on, speed it up, speed it up, eat it up, eat it up, eat it up, speed it up, speed it up. Hold on, 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 speed it up. Speed it up. Scotty, Hottie, Charlie, Wally, Cheddar. Speed it up. Hold on. Speed it up. Speed it up. Eat it up. Eat it up. Eat it up. Speed it up. Speed it up. Hold on. Speed it up. Hold on. speed it up. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, speed it up. Hold on, speed it up. Ah, speed it up. Scotty, Hottie, Charlie, Wally, Chuddle, speed it up. Hold on, speed it up. Speed it up, eat it up, eat it up, eat it up. Speed it up, speed it up. Hold on, 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 speed it up. Ah, speed it up. Scotty, Hottie, Charlie, Wally, Chuddle, speed it up. Hold on, speed it up. Speed it up, eat it up, eat it up, eat it up. Speed it up, speed it up. Hold on, 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 speed it up.
Finally, I'm finished. You all wouldn't even want to know what time it is. But if it doesn't taste good, at least it looks good. Yum. Yum. Go ahead, take the first bite. It smells good, and I am just in love with the colors. Come, you stay with it. The colors in this bowl, beautiful. So we tasted everything by itself. So first thing, I'm excited to taste the mashed sweet potato. Yummy. I'm not exaggerating, this tastes great. You get any sweetness, I'm definitely tasting the cheese. It's just like a burst of flavor in my mouth. I never used to eat broccoli and carrots, but this is the new Alicia. So go ahead, take a bite. It still has a slight crunch. I'm tasting the pepper, not overwhelming. It actually tastes good, the black pepper. I don't know if that's the red pepper flakes that I'm tasting. And now we're going to try the chicken. So all I did for the chicken, I put it in the air fryer. Then I cut it up into pieces. I made a sauce with just ketchup and barbecue sauce, honey barbecue sauce, and some water. Alright, that's sizzling the pot, and I threw the chicken in, mix it up, and voila, we have air fried barbecue chicken, mashed sweet potato mash, and veggies. The sieve that I showed with the ingredients, I didn't end up using. Normally they would just cut piece and sprinkle it over the bowl, but I just didn't. But I don't know, I don't think I missed out on anything. Sorry for the shaking, because it tastes great. So hungry AF. So I'm gonna eat off camera. Just have to show you all this again. Wow, it tastes just as good as it looks. I'm impressed by myself. So I'll pick back up tomorrow most likely, and I think that will be the last day for this vlog. So peace from me and my bowl. Oh, I forget I didn't test everything together for you all. So that's some mashed potato, broccoli, piece of chicken, come on, and Mm. We're running errands today, guys. We heading to I am already. I'm here with my sister, and then I have to go get my dog food. So I have to go. I'm going to the new mall. I forget the name of the mall, but when we get there, you'll see. And then I have to go in the bank. I have to go to Pennywise, and I have to go in the grocery. So
White nail polish 10 toes down. Yeah. Look back at it, shawty, don't look down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through.
this is the pet store that we're going to check out. It's really big, never been inside.
White nail polish 10 toes down. Look back at it, shawty, don't look down.
This is nice.
Tattoo peeking through the see-through.
It's huge.
Body cream color, I see you. See you. Used to be in love, now you
This is my new facial.
racks on a nigga feel stupid. Coming through the
Ooh,
ground,
Chit. Wow. I love TV.
white nail polish 10 toes down. Look back at it, shawty, don't look down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through.
Back and what's the name of this mall again? In Eastgate. Oh my god, I just saw the name. They have a Starbucks now. Yeah. The food cart. Cinnabon coming soon. I think the food court might be back on the next side. So they have a London clothing company now. They have Golden Bell. We head into the food court. Don't know why I had to look upset. Hey guys, so I am here to end the video. You all will be seeing this on Easter Sunday. So happy Easter to each and every one of you who made it this far in the video. But I started editing this vlog already, and just thought about where I mentioned that I was in a mood, and you all were this close to not getting a vlog this weekend. I spoke about the fact that I didn't eat greens when I was eating the meals that I made, the breakfast and the lunch, and that just had me thinking about me saying that this is how I am and this is what I like, and I'm thinking that that type of mentality or that way of thinking could really block your blessings. It could limit success. It could limit elevation. It could cause you to miss out on opportunities. And all those thoughts came from just me looking at myself and just reevaluating, because I'm trying to be, I always use the word intentional about the things that I'm doing with my life. For me, usually when I go into a mood, as I mentioned, I just feel to do nothing. So I'm really trying to not lead with emotions and not let my emotions get the best of me, because then it would deter consistency. It would just not be a positive thing for me in my life at this point in time, and I guess moving forward. So if you are like me, anything like me, where you tend to say this is just the way I am, or this is how I am accustomed doing things, I am challenging you to shift your mindset, because basically we are in control of our actions. We are not in control of what other persons do. We are not in control of anything that happens in our environment. But what we are in control of is how we choose to respond to it. Just try to push through how you are feeling in the moment, because emotions don't last. They don't last. And you are in control of how you feel and what you choose to do with that. And we don't want to be out here blocking our blessings, being in our own way. So that's it. That's the word I have for you all today. Hope you all enjoy your Easter long weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know that it wasn't much and it ended kind of abruptly with me running errands, but that's just how it goes sometimes. So I will definitely see you all next week, and I look forward to your comments in the comment section. And also, if you are not yet subscribed, remember to hit that subscribe button, and please remember to share and share and share.